Hi, this is week 15, the final week, an introduction to aging. This week we are going to review two chapters, the economics of aging and poverty and inequality. There will only be one discussion, and this discussion is for you to try your hand at Social Security reform. We've talked about, you should all be aware, that there is not enough money in Social Security right now to make sure that when the millennials retire, that they will be able to receive the same benefits. There's different options here. To save Social Security requires either benefit reduction or revenue increases. So here you would choose, say you want to reduce benefits for future retirees, and then how much do you want to reduce the benefits by? Say 5%, submit it, and you've solved 23% of the Social Security problem. So you will go through this and determine what you think would be the best way to reduce the Social Security problem. There are two quizzes this week, 2 chapters, so in only one discussion, no required papers. However, I have given you an optional extra credit paper that is not due until next Wednesday. And this paper is going to be just to write a class summary, due 5/9, and it's just about the semester. We've gone through a real lot of information, and I want to hear from you. What did you learn that's going to stay with you the most? What feelings about seniors changed for you? And if there's anything in the class that you think wasn't taught or that you would like to know more about. Again, this is optional, and it is due next Wednesday. This is instead of a final. I am here to answer any and all questions, and thank you and good luck.